Human foods can be your dog's best friend, or his worst enemy. Some of the most common household foods can actually make your dog very ill. Many are toxic. But other human foods are perfectly safe and even healthy for your dog to eat. Nonetheless, it can be tough to keep track of which is which, and pet poisonings are a real threat. Common household foods are a major contributor. That's why you want to be prepared with all the best information on foods to avoid for your dogs. Let this simple guide to foods your dog can't eat and serves as help to keep your fur buddy safe. Before we proceed, please click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of amazing topics to share with you. Welcome to Innovatronix TV, and we're here to guide you with human foods that are fatal to dogs. Avocado. Avocados have something called persin. It's fine for people who aren't allergic to it. But too much might cause vomiting or diarrhea in dogs. If you grow avocados at home, keep your dog away from the plants. Persin is in the leaves, seed, and skin, as well as the fruit. Also, the avocado seed can become stuck in the intestines or stomach, and obstruction could be fatal. Alcohol. Alcohol has the same effect on a dog's liver and brain that it has on people. But it takes a lot less to hurt your dog. Just a little beer, liquor, wine, or food with alcohol can be bad. It can cause vomiting, diarrhea, coordination problems, breathing problems, coma, even death. And the smaller your dog, the worse it can be. Onions and garlic. Keep onions and garlic away from your dog even if it is powdered, raw, cooked, or dehydrated. It can kill their red blood cells, causing anemia. That's even the onion powder in some baby food. Eating a lot just once can cause poisoning. Look for signs like weakness, vomiting, and breathing problems. Coffee and tea. Give your dog toys if you want them to be perky. Caffeine can be fatal. Watch out for coffee and tea, even the beans and the grounds. Keep your dog away from cocoa, chocolate, colas, and energy drinks. Caffeine is also in some cold medicines and painkillers. Think your dog had caffeine? Get your dog to the vet as soon as possible. Grapes and raisins. There are better treats to give your dog. Grapes and raisins can cause kidney failure in dogs. And just a small amount can make a dog sick. Vomiting over and over is an early sign. Within a day, your dog will get sluggish and depressed. Milk and other dairy products. On a hot day, it may be tempting to share your ice cream with your dog. Instead, give them some cold water. Milk and milk-based products can cause diarrhea and other digestive problems for your pup. They can also trigger food allergies, which can cause them to itch. Macadamia nuts. Keep your dog away from macadamia nuts and foods that have macadamia nuts in them. Just 6 raw or roasted macadamia nuts can make a dog sick. Look for symptoms like muscle shakes, vomiting, high temperature, and weakness in their back legs. Eating chocolate with the nuts will make symptoms worse, maybe even leading to death. Chocolate. Most people know that chocolate is bad for dogs. The problem in chocolate is theobromine. It's in all kinds of chocolate, even white chocolate. The most dangerous types are dark chocolate and unsweetened baking chocolate. Chocolate can cause a dog to vomit and have diarrhea. It can also cause heart problems, tremors, seizures, and death. Fat trimmings and bones. Fat trimmed from meat, both cooked and uncooked, can cause pancreatitis in dogs. And, even though it seems natural to give a dog a bone, they can choke on it. Bones can also splinter and block or cause cuts in your dog's digestive system. Persimmons, peaches, and plums. The problem with these fruits is the seeds. Seeds from persimmons can cause problems in a dog's small intestine. They can also block their intestines. That can also happen if a dog eats the pit from a peach or plum. Peach and plum pits also have cyanide, which is poisonous to people and dogs. People know not to eat them. Dogs don't. Raw eggs. Some people feed their dogs a raw diet that includes uncooked eggs. But the major veterinary medical associations don't think that's a good idea. There's the chance of food poisoning from bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli. Talk to your vet if you have questions. Raw meat and fish. Like raw eggs, raw meat and fish can have bacteria that causes food poisoning. Some fish such as salmon, trout, shad, or sturgeon can also have a parasite that causes fish disease or salmon poisoning disease. It's treatable, but get help right away. The first signs are vomiting, fever, and big lymph nodes. Fully cook the fish to kill the parasite. Salt. It's not a good idea to share salty foods like chips or pretzels with your dog. Eating too much salt can make your dog seriously thirsty. That means it could lead to sodium ion poisoning. Symptoms of too much salt include vomiting, diarrhea, depression, tremors, high temperature, and seizures. It may even cause death. Sugary foods and drinks. Too much sugar can do the same thing to dogs that it does to people. It can make your dog overweight and cause problems with their teeth. It can even lead to diabetes. Yeast dough. Before it's baked, bread dough needs to rise. And that's exactly what it would do in your dog's stomach if they ate it. As it swells inside, the dough can stretch your dog's abdomen and cause a lot of pain. Also, when the yeast ferments the dough to make it rise, it makes alcohol that can lead to alcohol poisoning. Your medicine. Dogs shouldn't take people medicine. It can make them very sick. Just as you do for your kids, keep all medicines out of your dog's reach. And never give your dog any over-the-counter medicine unless your vet tells you to. Ingredients such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen are common in pain relievers and cold medicine. And they can be deadly for your dog. And those are the human foods that are fatal to dogs. Comment down below if you know other foods that are fatal to dogs.